Hello friends, welcome to the fifth video of the Mentor-Mentee Internship Program. This program is initiated by the team Write a Prize. Myself Priya Singh, the mentee for this program, and the mentor Varshika Chaudhary is guiding me for the technology Python. So, this is the fifth lecture of the Python technology. We will discuss about list, the third topic of the variable types. So, lists are similar to arrays in C, except that list can contain values of different data types. Means list can store various values in it, but it is different from array in a way that it stores different data types, like 909 is an integer value, MCA is a string value, whereas 2018 is again an integer value. But in array what happens? We can keep only integer value if we have declared it to int, only string variable if we have declared it to character. Okay, it starts with index 0 in the beginning of the list and ends with -1. List is similar to array in a way that its index also starts from 0. Means this is a 0 index, this is for 1 index, and this is index 2. The values stored in a list can be accessed using the slice operator. As we have seen in strings, to access the subset of the strings, we used slice operator. Similarly, in list, we use these slice operators to access the sublists from a list. Now, to delete an item in a list, we use del keyword. Okay, this del is used when the element to delete is exactly known. Means if in this list we exactly know the value MC is to be deleted, then what we use is del. For example, del list ex0. So the value at index 0, that is 909, will be deleted. We will see those both examples on a notepad here. I have written the same program, okay, on the notepad. Now here the output is, when we have printed this list ex, it prints the whole list. Now when we delete the element at index 1, that is MCA, it prints 909 and 2018. Now, to access a different sublist in a list, we use the following slice operator in these different ways. So, firstly, we have declared two lists, list 1 and list 2. We have printed list 1 and then we have printed list 1 of index 1, which prints only the second value, that is BCA in list 1. Then we have used here negative count -1 in list 1, which prints the first value from the RHS. Which is the very first value from RHS? It is 2016. Okay, so it prints 2016. Now from negative count, it is -1, then -2 and -3, and from positive count it is 0, 1 and 2. This should be remembered. Okay, now we come to print list 2. 1 colon. It prints list 2 starting from second value to last. Okay, second value is which one? It is MCA, and the last is 2018. So it prints whole value after from MCA to after MCA. Then print list 2 colon 2. It prints list 2 starting from first to third value, which is list 2. This is it starts from first value and prints up to the third value, that is 2018. Now we use list 1 0 colon 2. Since we have written 0 here and 2 here, so it prints first to second value. Okay, so this is first value and this is second value, so it prints 908 and BCA. Now we use iteration method here. Okay, similar in strings, but see here we haven't used comma, so it will print the list 2 in list 2 vertically. We will see on a notepad here. The first 4 examples are here. List 1, print list 1. It prints the whole list 1. Then list 1 at index 1, that is list index 1, that is BCA, it prints BCA. Then at -1 it is 2016, and then one colon which is MCA and 2018, just because it is list 2. Now comes the other examples, that are list 2 colon 2, it prints 909 MCA, then 02 colon 2, it prints 908 BCA, and for iteration, since there is no comma, so it prints the whole list 2 vertically. Now the following are the different operations in list. They are repetition, concatenation, updation, and the length operator, and this membership. Okay, so we will discuss it one by one. The first one is repetition. It repeats the list 1 2 times, as we have written 2 here, and here the multiplication operator is used for the repetition operation. Then concatenation operation, we use plus operator. Okay, it just adds up the list 1 and list 2 in a single list. Then for updation, what we do is we update the value at a particular index, say index 0 in list 2 with a new value, that is 907, and then when we print it, the updated value is printed. Okay. Now to calculate the length, we can either pass the whole value to the length function, or the name of that list. Okay, so here what we have done, we have passed the whole value. It will calculate this length 1 2 3 and will show the output. And what will this do? This will also do the same thing, just it will pass list 2. Okay, and it will also print 3. Now we will see membership operator, means whether the following value is present in that list or not. Like if it will be present, then it will show true, and if it will not be present, it will show false. Okay, so see here, print 908 in list 1. Is 908 present in list 1? Yes, so it will print true. Is 908 present in list 2? No, so it will print false. Is 908 not in list 1? 908 is in list 1. So what it will print? It will print false, because this is a false statement. Similarly, 908 not in list 2? Yes, it is right. So it will print true. So we will see on a notepad. Okay, we have run these examples on a command prompt. See, for repetition, it repeats the whole list 1 2 times. Okay, and in concatenation, it has added list 1 and list 2. Then for updation, it has changed the list 2 value 909 to 907. Now for length function, we see here that print length this prints the value 3. Print length list 2, it again prints the value 3, since 1 2 3 values are present in list 2. In membership operator, I have already said that if the value will be present in that list, it will show true. If it will not be present, then it will be false. The statement, it shows whether the statement is true or false. Like 908 is in list 1, yes, it is present, so true. Similarly, 908 in list 2, this is false. 908 is not in list 1, thus it will show, means there it is in list 1, but it is saying not in, so it will show false. Then 908 not in list 2, it will show true, since this statement is a true statement. Thanks for watching the video. Please watch our video 6 to cover the further topics.